I asked my friend to make me an essay about a fragmented world, living in pieces, searching for wholeness. We live in a world that feels increasingly divided, not only in visible ways, such as politics, culture, and belief systems, but also in quieter, more personal dimensions. This is what we call a fragmented world, a reality where unity is replaced by separation, clarity by confusion, and connection by isolation. Fragmentation is not always loud or obvious. Sometimes it is subtle, creeping into our daily lives until it becomes the new normal. At its core, fragmentation means being broken into parts. In today's society, this can be seen in how people identify themselves and others. Labels have become stronger than understanding. We are categorized by our opinions, lifestyle, social status, and even the content we consume. While diversity is a strength, excessive division can weaken our sense of shared humanity. Instead of seeing people as whole individuals, we often reduce them to fragments, one belief, one mistake, or one trait. Technology, while powerful and transformative, has also contributed to this fragmentation. Social media connects us across distances, yet it often separates us emotionally and mentally. People live in a curated reality showing only selected parts of their lives. As a result, we compare full lives to people someone else highlights. This creates not only misunderstanding but only insecurity and disconnection. Ironically, in a time when communication is easier than ever, genuine connection has become more difficult to achieve. Fragmentation is also deeply internal. Many individuals feel divided within themselves, torn between who they are and who they think they should be. The pressure to succeed, to conform, and to meet expectations creates inner conflict. A person may present confidence outwardly while struggling silently inside. This internal fragmentation leads to anxiety, identity, confusion, and a loss of purpose. When the self is divided, it becomes harder to find peace. Culturally and globally, fragmentation appears in the widening gaps between nations, communities, and ideologies. Difference that could have been opportunities for learning instead become sources of conflict. Instead of dialogue, there is argument. Instead of curiosity, there is judgment. The world becomes a collection of separate islands rather than a connected whole. However, despite this fragmentation, there is still hope. Awareness is the first step toward healing. When we recognize the division around and within us, we begin to understand the need for unity, not uniformity, but harmony. Unity does not mean erasing differences. It means embracing them while still seeing the bigger picture. Reconnection starts on a personal level. It begins with self-awareness, accepting both strengths and flaws and integrating them into a whole identity. It grows through empathy by choosing to understand others rather than immediately judging them. Small acts of genuine connection, listening deeply, speaking honestly, and being present can slowly mend the fractures in human relationships. On a larger scale, education, open dialogue, and shared experiences can help bridge divides. When people engage with perspectives different from their own, they expand their understanding and reduce fear. A fragmented world can begin to heal when individuals choose connection over division. In the end, the fragmented world reflects both our challenges and our potential. It shows us that it shows us what happens when we lose sight of unity. but it also invites us to rebuild it. Like broken pieces of glass, the fragments can seem scattered and sharp, but with intention and care, they can be rearranged into something meaningful, perhaps even more beautiful than before. The question is not whether the world is fragmented, it is whether we are willing to become the force that brings it back together.